Hey everybody, so these are the brackets for that TA28 plus Westendorf. These are called kind of your universal brackets. So you've got your front bracket here, your rear bracket here. So this will work for your spacing for a Deere or an IH or a case. This does have it where it's got the U-bolts. You can widen out your bracket if you've got the wider frame, so you can come all the way out to your hooks to where your loader locks in. Come around the side here. This one does run off the tractor hydraulics the way it was set up, so they had 3 available remotes on this one. So the hoses are currently ran to the back to run off of the tractor remotes. I'll take you to the other side. So we come around, again, front bracket here, and then you do have your quick attach hydraulics here. So you got your locking lever on the back side to lock your hydraulics in. Everything just hooks in right there, and then again, hoses are routed to run off the rear remotes for the tractor hydraulics. So if you wanted to change it out to a spool valve, you can. If you wanted to put a joystick or something in the cab, but again, this is the universal bracket. Check with the manufacturer, guys, but this is basically designed, it should fit several widths. Again, you can adjust these all the way out by loosening your U-bolts, swing it out all the way to your rear hooks, and then again, your front back is set from the rear bracket to the front bracket. So everything's there, guys. Again, complete loader. You get in the grapple fork, the 8-foot bucket, the loader itself, and your brackets. And again, it's quick attach, guys. Really nice loader, very little use.